This is the reason. There's a Formula One, folks, made in Italy. That's the reason why Formula One is off. The deluge, all this was washed all the way up to there. It's unbelievable volume of water. The great deluge down here in Emilia, Romagna has caused the F1 to be postponed. Oh, has it been cancelled for real? Look at all this. Wow. Swirling water. What the water can do. And it's wash absolutely everywhere. Look at that. That's it. The wash has been over the top. Gracious. It's taken out the bank, the embankment here. It's gone all the way. See the deluge. Wow. It's unbelievable, right? What a downpour can do. It's not a joke. Look at this. Wow, forza. Forza di acqua. Don't underestimate the water, the power of water. It's the same power that you've got to change and alter the way you live and be. Life depends on this same. You're a water body, and this is a water body itself. That same water that makes life can take away life. It's crazy how the very gentle and very subtle. It's amazing.